Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Madhu. I'm from Puducherry. I'm here for a 1 year fellowship with 2 times 4 days workshop in Asian Pain Academy in Kolkata. Here I had a very great experience regarding the 4 days workshop. And Chinmay sir and Debjyoti Dutta sir both supported us very well. And then it was periodic, well mannered, arranged everything. The mannequins were so well prepared, and every session started with the theory knowledge, and they enlightened it with theoretical knowledge, and then we went on a hands-on, and we also viewed live interventions. These 4 days enlightened us in further proceedings with the pain management, and we gained a lot of knowledge, and all the staffs and both the doctors were very supportive. And I would recommend this Asian Pain Academy for every one of us to take this to take our pain management to the next level. And we did a lot of fluoroscopic hands-on interventions, and we also visited Samobathi Pain Clinic, where we did a lot of ultrasound techniques. We learned a lot of techniques, and also we viewed live interventions over there. That was very useful. Thank you.